Okay, so to solve this issue, first of all open Outlook, go to File, after that go to Options in the left sidebar, make sure to click on Search, after that select All Mailboxes, and then Indexing Options. Once you did that, make sure to click on Modify, and select all the files available. Click OK, go to Advanced, click it, after that select Rebuild, and then make sure to click on OK. Okay, so for the second method, go to the search bar, search for Control Panel, open it, go to Programs, select Programs and Features, select any one you want, after that select M in the keyboard, scroll down until you find Microsoft 365, right click and then click on Change, click Yes. From here you want to select Quick Repair and then click Repair. Now make sure to restart your computer, try to open Outlook again, and if the problem is still occurs, all you have to do, instead of selecting Change, you now have to select Uninstall. Go ahead and follow the procedures. After that, make sure to re-download Microsoft from Google again, install it, and all the bugs should be gone. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.